Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: A Beginner's Guide to Python Scripting with Command Line Arguments. Introduction. Python is a versatile programming language that allows developers to create powerful scripts for various applications. One essential feature of Python scripts is the ability to accept command line arguments, providing flexibility and customization. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating a Python script that accepts arguments from the command line. Step 1. Setting up your Python script. Start by creating a new Python script using your preferred text editor or integrated development environment, IDE. Save the script with a meaningful name, for example, script_with_arguments.py. Step 2. Importing the SYS module. In Python, the SYS module provides access to some variables used or maintained by the interpreter and functions that interact strongly with the interpreter. Import the SYS module at the beginning of your script to utilize the argv variable, which stores command line arguments. Step 3. Accessing command line arguments. To access command line arguments, you can use the argv attribute of the SYS module. The first element of sys.argv is the script name itself, and subsequent elements are the arguments provided. Step 4. Running your script with arguments. Save your script and open a terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the directory containing your Python script and run it with arguments. Example. Output. Step 5. Parsing and processing arguments. Now that you can access the command line arguments, you can parse and process them according to your script's requirements. You may use libraries like argparse for more complex argument parsing scenarios. Step 6. Running your script with parsed arguments. Run your script with the new argument structure. Example. Output. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully created a Python script that accepts command line arguments. This capability enhances the usability and versatility of your scripts, making them more dynamic and adaptable to different use cases. Experiment with different argument types and explore the possibilities of command line scripting in Python. ChatGPT.